This is Victoria Harbor. Building, Empire State Building. Mamayang gabi, ano, nindot ni mga gabi, mga lights. Ha?
Even though that is like a bukid, it's like a hill, hill, they're putting like buildings there.
Yeah, that like, is, sa likod ana, doon kita sa Disney, sa likod ana ng bukid, Disneyland yan.
Why do they put buildings on top of bukid?
I don't know, that is the develop, they use that.
Maybe they do it to make people like tourist attraction. China is basically just a part of Hong Kong. They speak the same language. Hong Kong. Papa, why do Mexico's like name of dollar or something is called peso?
Yeah.
Why?
Talaga piso talaga yan. Noon pa yan. Matagal na yan. Do not think that only Philippines is peso, no. The same as US dollar, Hong Kong is Hong Kong dollar, Singaporean dollar. The same. That one is Mexican peso, Philippine peso, Argentina peso. Ito pala ang kuhan. Ang bus papuntang airport to. Ay, hindi. Okay. I-off ko na to.